Wi-Fi 6 player to run this projector. So the projector itself also is run. You can mirror from your phone HD quality video, but you don't need anything when you have just a projector, remote control. So let's unbox and take a look at another LED projector. Reason why we like the LED projectors, they are very nice and bright, and now the light, because the light output is great, so they're gonna be video quality, it's also good. So this projector said to me to review it, and the projector itself a lot bigger than the other projectors I review it. So we got the bunch of instruction manual, we have the HDMI cable, power cable, cleaning tool for the lens, and we have RCA to 3.5 jack adapter and the remote control. So as you can see, projector itself 360-degree rotatable. Also, because it's rotatable, we have a 3/4 tripod mount here, so we can mount on the tripod, and it's built-in speakers, the large speakers on the side. It says Dolby Atmos, all that stuff, but those things are advertising, because to have the Dolby Atmos you need the 5-channel, but output can be Dolby Atmos through the HDMI out, right? So on the back we have a USB input, headphone outputs, AV outputs, 2 HDMIs, and another USB output. So power button here, a large screen, and you have a infrared signal in and out portion here on the back. The reason why they have this, it's projected, it's going to be automatically focused on your screen, so that's a huge plus to have that kind of stuff. You just set it up, point the right direction, and it's going to be automatically. So let's set it up and take a look how it's this. The projector itself is a built-in Netflix, YouTube, and the Prime Video. So as soon as we connect the latest model, it's Wi-Fi 6 player to run this projector. So the projector itself also is run. You can mirror from your phone HD quality video, but you don't need anything when you have just a projector, remote control, or your phone over 100 million. So whatever the movies tied on the internet and the Netflix Prime audio, it's going to be there. So let's connect and take a look how's the quality on the walls. I'm gonna show you how this LED projects just a white wall. I don't have any screen, anything like that on the wall, right? There was a big picture here, I just remove it, and we're gonna project it. Actually, even the angle, it's automatically focused and fixed the wall clarity. Now I'm trying to close this, so yeah, it's fixed it already, so I'm gonna play right now. So now it's around like 108 this wall, so I'm gonna turn off some back lights, and we're gonna play some video 4K clips. As you can see, built-in speaker is the loudest any speaker, any projector I've reviewed before, right? And also you can connect through the Bluetooth audio output, Bluetooth speaker, or you can use any HDMI ARC output from this, or also 3.5 jack you can use as to the amplifiers. Like, so many ways to get audio if you don't want to use built-in speakers. Very decent. And even if I'm running just to the wall, as you can see, the clarity is like very nice and clean image from the white wall. And also we can expand it a lot bigger, but now I'm just randomly playing the YouTube. Now we can do, alright, so it's gonna be here on the remote control, it's autofocus. You can clean anytime, it's automatically focus itself. This is how you're gonna connect the Bluetooth to any source of the Bluetooth speakers. You can just search up, or you can just on the phone. You can, through the app, you can connect that through the speaker. So this is the settings on the corner. I can do the audio settings or the picture mode, also the standard. For example, I have a custom, I have a cinema mode, sport, and vivid. It's going to be a lot cleaner, and also I can go through sharpness, everything I can do here on the setting size, right? Setting menu. This one's going to be controlling from the remote control. If you want to do manually adjust the focus, it's going to be here, or we can just click automatic focus, and it's going to be automatically pulls the focus and it will adjust the best focus possible. and it works very good. So this is the remote control. Here's the autofocus. Here's the home button. We can go to the home button and see it. Here's the hot button for settings, and we're gonna just go to the picture settings or audio settings. This is the direct button for Bluetooth connection. That's great. Everything is on the remote control, like very easy to access, and you're not gonna dig into the menus, right? This is autofocus. Anytime you click, it's gonna be start autofocusing. This is the manual focus on this side. This is the audio focus, and the full button for YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon Prime. Super simple to use, super simple to connect. Just what are you gonna do? You're gonna connect to the Wi-Fi first, and that's it. It's gonna start any videos from YouTube or from the Amazon, Netflix. Alright, so overall it's very nice projector. As you can see, super clean image. Even the wall. Next video I'm gonna do actually 4K. I have a screen. I'm gonna do this screen projection, and I'm gonna do the wall and outside. We're gonna see more videos from this projection. But by the now, it's like a cleanest, more clear projector I ever reviewed. Right, really nice and clean projector. As you can see, those pictures are very nice. Just to show you how these pictures are clean. As you can see, super clean. All right, this is the projector here. It's working nice and clean, and on the tripod setup. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.